trying to fly over the Ace Family pool.
Dude, I just heard a propeller hit something.
I hope I didn't damage another propeller.
Welcome to the video, guys. So we are outside the Ace Family house. Today we're gonna be surprising Austin's wife with the hoverboard. From what I understand, she has never seen this thing before, but Austin has. So we're gonna try and sneak in over there and meet up with Austin and see if we can do this.
Bro, let's do it.
What's up, man?
Where's the safety?
No, there's no safety.
There's a ton of safety.
There's no safety.
Everybody keeps saying it's not safe, but I promise, it's been very carefully designed. All right, we're at the compound. Multiple gates, giant walls, nobody's climbing over that. I have a feeling this is not the entrance, but I'm just gonna roll with it. Okay, so we're outside of Austin's place. Let's give him a call and see if he answers.
Yo.
Hey, Austin, we're at your gate. Sorry about that. Your neighbor was talking to us for a while. It's pretty cool.
No, it's all good. I'll let you learn.
Okay, cool. All right, here we go.
Let's go.
Yeah, he said he's gonna open the gate, but there's multiple gates, so like I don't know which one. Maybe I should just fly in. Like, what do you guys think about? Let's see if we can sneak into here. Hey, dude.
Appreciate you coming out.
Totally, yeah.
How was the drive?
Dude, it's good. Yeah. Not too bad. This is beautiful.
Oh, I appreciate it.
This is amazing. You have like a boxing like area too and all that?
I got a ring.
Dude, so like you're the main card on the boxing match, right? Dude, what do you think about me flying into the stadium? Is that like a thing? Is that possible?
I think anything is possible, right?
Yeah. Even if he says no, we're still gonna have to do it.
Hey, I think that'd be crazy. Stay tuned. We can't say too much here.
Let's go.
First of all, I gotta admit, bro, you are one crazy dude.
Yeah, well, dude, I mean, I've designed some safety into it, so it's not as crazy as you think, I guess.
So you built this yourself?
Oh yeah, it took a couple years.
It's definitely worth it.
Yeah, oh dude, yeah, so much fun.
I'm sure everyone asks you, can you make one for them, huh?
Yeah,
People ask you?
a lot of people want them, yeah,
Really?
for sure. Yeah, but the problem is, I guess, liability. It's like surfing the sky, right? So I don't know if you've ever been snowboarding.
Yeah, I couldn't relate,
before.
I'm sorry. A little bit of snowboarding,
Yeah,
but
it's like
it's
that.
completely different than you being way up there.
Snowboarding.
It's insane.
Let's just try it. Let's just get him on it and we'll see if we can get him to do it.
Let me ask you, how high do you actually go? Like, do you go above the palm trees?
Definitely can do that, for sure. I've done, I've done like 60 feet. Yeah, dude. But let's set some records here today.
I hate to like talk about this or say it, but has something bad happened?
Nope.
Really?
Nothing, ever. Flashback.
Wow.
No, just playing.
All right, well, let's take it out and let me get on and see how far I can go.
Do you want to like prank? Is her name Catherine?
Catherine, yeah, my wife's Catherine.
Okay.
She has no idea. So I was thinking, since, you know, every now and then we get our wonderful, amazing fans come to the house, right?
Yeah.
And, you know, they want pictures and stuff, but we've really never had someone get into the property. You guys don't come to the house. But imagine, right, we're filming, and in the middle of us filming, you're flying over a house, and it looks like you're paparazzi, you're a fan, like trying to take pictures of us.
Yeah.
She would freak out.
Let's do it. So people actually think I'm doing this stuff, so we better like make sure we say it's a prank, because otherwise people think I'm flying into houses.
Yeah, no. This is for sure a prank.
We're gonna scope out
You guys
some
can hop on.
locations.
You ready? Everybody on?
Let's go.
Oh, we're on two
You
wheels.
saw that, bro?
Yeah.
You got that on camera?
Oh my God.
You guys haven't signed waivers yet.
Austin is headed in to distract Catherine right now, so she's working out, but we don't want her to notice that I'm outside. So we're gonna try and sneak this into the garage right now. Oh, geez. I think we should take a second to appreciate these cars.
Out of these cars, what would you guys take?
I would take the Lambo, I feel like. I don't know about you guys.
It's just a plane.
It's not a plane.
Oh, it's so loud.
Austin, take something!
just using so much power. They're still in the living room. I gotta go down and straight inside the house.
Who are you calling?
Austin, you're messing with me! Austin, I'm gonna call the police.
Where'd he go?
Dude, I just heard a propeller hit something. Oh fuck. All the neighbors are out right now. You're our hero.
Oh, bro, I did not like that.
I got you. Yo, that's crazy. Admit I got you. Admit I got you. Admit I got you. Did you break your thing or no?
When I was like trying to rush, so when I came down, I landed sideways, and yeah, dude, check this out. Yeah.
Oh my god. Good thing you didn't do that in the air.
Oh, dude, totally. Yeah, it came down sideways, but good thing is I've got more in the car, so we're set.
What's wrong?
You're just annoying.
Why am I annoying?
Because it scared me.
Yeah.
She thought you were the wanted man coming in our house.
Do you have another propeller?
You didn't see what happened? No. None of you saw what happened? No. Dude, I went crazy in here, like flew into the wall, like it was insane.
Hit the TV, everything.
There's just glass shattered. No.
She called the cops too.
She actually really did. You know the helicopters that were out there, like flying around? She thought it was because of him. So that they were looking for him coming around.
That's hilarious.
This is crazy. I can't believe you built it.
Thanks, yeah.
Was it hard to fit in? Would you have to like crouch?
It was really easy.
didn't do that bad, though.
Yeah,
You didn't do bad.
I could never see my head. Like I always like get close to power lines and stuff, which is a little scary. So I was like trying to stay real low. This little baby carriage was flying up in the air next to me, so I came down as fast as I could, and that actually like, you know, destroyed the ground a little bit over here, you know? So let's get out of here real quick.
Yo, this man is a master drone flyer.
He's so talented.
Did he just jump off the trampoline with the drone? Oh my god, watch out for the tree, yo.
So what? Oh my god.
Oh my.
It's like a video game.
He's about to try to fly over the Ace Family pool. Let's see if he can do it.
Caused a little bit of a tornado. It kind of blew out all these bushes over here. I was watching that while I was up there. I was like, this is kind of fun actually. All right guys, so we're headed to go train with Austin right now. He's got this big boxing match coming up versus Bryce Hall. I mean, really, who do you think's gonna win? Anyways, we're gonna help him train and we're gonna fly next to him and make sure he gets a good workout in.
But now that we became friends with this guy, we're trying to shoot some content in the street. So we're here and we're gonna get a video of Austin training with him side by side, so.
Right here is perfect.
Every time I rush to land, I lean. I hope I didn't damage another propeller.
It doesn't look like anything, bro.
Oh, hey, you're recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, that was like scary.
Oh my god.
Dude, we're risking like huge explosion.
What's up?
10%.
Just landed.
Yeah, but it's dead now.
How far are you gonna go up?
Oh, I've gone 60 feet.
I love to see it when you're taking off. Because I was in aviation.
Oh wow.
I was an aircraft engineer for 34 years.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Dude, let's go. That was sick, bro.
I appreciate you coming through, bro. For real.
Yeah, dude, this guy is so fast, dude. Like, going down the road is actually hard to keep up with him. Like, bro, that was crazy.
Bro, I don't know how you do it. I'm still impressed that he's even capable of getting on that thing and being in the sky. Like, bro, you're insane.
Dude, insane. Dude, I'm glad you liked it. We got some stuff coming up. You know, I don't want to talk about it too much,
Yeah, we
but
got some stuff on the low.
some surprises are coming, man, and they're gonna be huge. So I'm stoked for that. Let's stay connected. And dude, once again, appreciate everything.
Always.
Dude.
Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe.
His links will be in the description. Let's go.